Welcome to Complete Photography course. This course is designed to succeed yourself in photography. In learning the basics photography, we explained how DSLR and other camera works and deep knowledge on lenses, which lenses you should buy, and also analyzed neural density filters, polarized filters and other filters along with stabilization factors. And the content of this course designed to explain complicated things pretty easy way. For example, how the DSLR works, how the viewfinder works and other items works in pretty easy way explained in this course. And then explained how to earn money in through photography. For example, we have analyzed the reasons why most of us not successful in stock photography and other ways to earn money through photography. Number one reason is we do not know the success theory of stock photography and other ways to make money from photography, and we don't analyze the market. As you know, in every business market, analysis is mandatory, and we do not invest proper time on metadata and keywording and other items, and we do not make expert ourselves in a few domain. Rather, we want to become jack of all domain. And we do not invest proper time with patience. We want outcome within several weeks. And we do not learn from mistakes not only from us, from others. In this course content, analyze the success theory of other successful photographers along with how to analyze the market and how to invest time in metadata. One of the pretty cool and important aspect to shoot better photos is mastering lighting and composition. We have analyzed several aspects which time is better to take photos along with, and finally we have shared pretty cool tips and tactics of several aspects, several fields of photography like portrait photography, landscape photography, macro photography, black and white photography and others. And we have explained which photo, why those photos are not good, so you can learn from these examples. And ultimately in this course we try to help you and make you successful in this photography field, and we will be pretty quite glad if we see you as a successful photographer.